Well, as we look at several businesses that can get that home together for you or that parking lot, in this case, we are at B&C Blacktop and Sealing. Brian Myers is the owner. Welcome to the show, Brian.
Thank you.
You know, this is something that I think, you know, nothing nicer than to have fresh blacktop drives and walks and parking lots and things like that. So you're in a great business. How did this get started?
I started doing this for extra money in college in '93 when I was attending Ohio State. I had a old van and a roommate that had a little bit of knowledge of seal coating, and we decided to get together and start handing some flyers out in northern Columbus for seal coating driveways, and just kind of progress from there.
What do you do? Primarily commercial, residential? You do both? How do you do it? What's the
We
process?
do both commercial and residential. We were more residential when we first started, and our commercial has grown. So what we've done is try and structure ourselves to where we have the equipment to be competitive at both. A lot of companies in my industry only do commercial or residential, or they're not competitive at both. And we've tried to set ourselves up so that we can offer the services, you know, to both sets of people, and they can get a good quality contractor to do their home and their business instead of one or the other.
And basically the difference is equipment that you use, right? In the two?
Correct.
And,
Yeah.
And you're kind of set to do both.
Yes, we're set to do both. Commercial equipment's a lot more expensive than some of the residential. So to go out with the commercial equipment and try and do residential paving makes it not affordable for the customer, and we kind of realized that over the years and have tried to structure our equipment properly.
What's some of the challenges in doing drives and that kind of thing for residents?
The biggest challenge is probably the fact that people look at it every day. So it has to be perfect when you're done. If it's not perfect, they're going to call you. You can go and do $1 million parking lot, and someone that paid for it may never show up. Might be perfect, but you might not know. Driveway is much different. The residential customer needs that special attention, and we try to keep the staff to give it to them.
What's the care and maintenance after that? And how long can you get it to last?
If it's installed properly, which of course we would do, proper maintenance once it's in is you want to let it cure for a year, and then you want to have it seal coated every other year after that. And we offer that to our customers. We put them in our database and make sure that they get the proper reminders. There's a lot of companies that come around and drop flyers on your mailboxes and whatnot and offer to seal coat your driveway every year. And unfortunately, that's one of the worst things you can do for it is to coat it every year.
Give us some contact information, Brian. We want to get a hold of you.
You can reach us by calling our main office number at 614-888-7070. You can also find us on the web at www.bcblacktop.com, or you can just come on by our office at 7530 Worthington Galena Road. We're hard to miss. Just purchased new property next door, and you can't miss us. Hope to see you.
If you're looking for quality blacktopping, somebody that really knows the industry, knows what they're doing, and can get the job done right, and give these guys a call.